We are pleased to show you the 2019 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, one owner, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.